To get the most out of ChatGPT, it's important to approach it with clear and specific prompts. Vague or overly broad questions often lead to generic answers, so instead of asking something like, "Tell me about history," try narrowing it down to, "Can you summarize the causes and effects of the American Revolution?" This ensures the response is more relevant and useful. If your question is complex, break it into smaller, more manageable parts. For instance, instead of asking, "How do I start a business?" start with, "What are the first steps to starting a small business in the tech industry?" This approach helps you get more precise and actionable insights. If the initial response isn't quite what you're looking for, don't hesitate to refine your prompt or ask for clarification. For example, you can say, "Can you explain that in simpler terms?" or "Can you provide more examples?" This iterative process helps you get the most accurate and helpful information. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can assist with a wide range of tasks. Whether you're learning something new, writing an essay, solving a problem, or planning a project, it can provide valuable support. For learning, you can ask for explanations, summaries, or tutorials. For writing, it can help draft essays, emails, or creative content. For problem solving, it can assist with brainstorming, coding, or debugging. And for planning, it can help create schedules, to-do lists, or project outlines. Experimenting with different prompt styles can also yield better results. For example, you can use role-playing prompts like "Act as a career coach and give me advice on switching careers," or request step-by-step instructions such as "Explain how to bake a cake." Comparative prompts like "Compare Python and JavaScript for web development" can also be highly effective. One of ChatGPT's strengths is its ability to maintain context within a conversation, so don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions to dive deeper into a topic. For instance, after receiving an initial response, you can ask, "Can you elaborate on that?" Or, "What are some real-world applications of this concept?" While ChatGPT is highly knowledgeable, it's not perfect, so always verify critical information, especially when dealing with facts, statistics, or sensitive topics.